In this video, we will be discussing the multi-market test, and you can go to the multi-market by selecting a strategy, and then on the top you will see multi-market. What the multi-market tools is, it allows you to test a strategy across different markets or different assets. Once we are in the multi-market tool, the first thing you'll see is a toolbar, and on the toolbar we have our start and stop button. From here you control the beginning and the end of the multi-market testing process. Then we have the progress. This shows us what percentage of the test has been calculated at the current moment. Next we have calculated. This indicates the number of strategy backtests which have been done. And finally we have the validated, and here you can see the number of backtest results that have passed the validation criteria. Below that we have the markets, and from here you can choose to add markets or remove as required. And on the right we have the chart, and this gives us a graphical representation of the strategy's performance in each market. All of the markets will use a different color, so you can clearly see which strategy is performing well and which one is not. So let's run a test. We are going to remove Brent crude, we don't need it, and we will keep our dollar Swiss franc, Australian dollar Swiss franc, and Australian dollar New Zealand dollar. So we click on start. Very quickly it calculates it, and what you can see is that the original strategy passed the validation, but the other three did not. Now if we go into statistics, you can see is that the original strategy on the euro pound has a balance of 14,844. We can see our profit per day, our max drawdown, our return versus the drawdown, the number of trades, and our win-loss ratio for all of the markets. So basically what this tells us is that according to the validation criteria that we have selected, this strategy would be profitable in the euro pound, but it would be unprofitable in the others that we have tested on. If you want to change the validation criteria, you would go to the final tab, and this is where you would select the validation criteria that you want. And much like the acceptance criteria, you have many options, and for each option you have values.